Hi everyone. So today we were going to create a USB that contains Windows 7, 8.1, and 10 installers in a single USB drive, called as a multi-boot USB. So, I am using Windows 7, 8.1, and 10, 64-bit ISOs for this. All ISOs are UEFI bootable, hence, our multi-boot USB will be UEFI bootable. But, you can also use any Windows ISOs, from Windows 7 to 10, and also, their respective server editions, both 32-bit and 64-bit, but remember that if you are using 32-bit ISOs, you cannot be able to boot them in UEFI mode. You can use as many Windows ISOs you have, the only condition is that your USB must have as much space to hold all the ISOs. Things you need are WinUSB, your Windows ISOs, and of course, your USB drive. So let's start.